To import Rocket Money subscription management, follow these steps. First, connect your bank account to Rocket Money by selecting your bank from the list of available institutions and entering your login credentials. This will allow Rocket Money to access your account information and identify recurring subscriptions. Next, review the list of detected subscriptions and confirm their accuracy. Rocket Money will categorize each subscription as a repeating payment, and you can verify the details of each one, including the merchant name, subscription date, and amount. After confirming the subscriptions, you can begin to manage them within Rocket Money. This includes the ability to cancel unwanted subscriptions, track expenses, and set budgets for specific categories. You can also link multiple bank accounts and credit cards to monitor all your subscriptions in one place. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is essential to regularly review and update your subscription list. This will help ensure that the information remains accurate and up to date, allowing you to make informed decisions about your subscriptions and finances. By following these steps and maintaining your subscription list, you can effectively import and manage your Rocket Money subscriptions, taking control of your finances and avoiding unwanted charges. Remember to always monitor your accounts and adjust your subscription management strategy as needed to achieve your financial goals.